it's Mary with Premier Face and Body Work. So are you breaking out or have congested pores and blackheads and not sure which service to schedule? There's 3 that I recommend. One is an acne treatment, a deep pore cleansing facial, and an acne deep pore cleansing facial. So those are the 3 that I recommend, and this is how you know which one to choose. If you have active breakouts like whiteheads or cysts and you need a treatment, an acne treatment's great. We apply a salicylic or mandelic. It's self-neutralizing and it treats the active breakouts. So that is a treatment only and does not include an entire facial. A deep pore cleansing facial is for someone who has congested pores or blackheads, and it's a full facial, so you get your steam, extractions to get all that out, a mask, shoulder massage while you have the mask on. So it's results oriented and relaxing. We take out all the blackheads and congestion. And then if you have active breakouts and you need the treatment, but you also want a full facial, you can do the acne deep pore cleansing facial. That includes the salicylic or mandelic treatment, steam, extractions, a mask, shoulder massage, and whatever is needed to clear up your breakouts. We clear it up with the treatment, but you also get the full facial with it. So hopefully that was a good description of the 3 and you know how to decide which one to choose. If you have more questions or need more information, feel free to call or text 407-592-9422, or you can go to our website, premierfaceandbodywork.com.